Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to be talking with someone who is, in my opinion, extremely entrepreneurial and he has had some amazing experiences. I've been hearing just before this podcast, I've been hearing some amazing stories with him. And he's also a good storyteller, I must tell you that, okay? Because the way he's said this story is still resonating in my mind. So we're going to be talking to Navid. Navid comes from BNI Energy and he's been around since 2018 with BNI, and he is one of the building blocks of BNI Energy, and he's been contributing a lot to this chapter. He's someone who is here to tell us how you can actually vantage BNI because a lot of business that he's doing comes from BNI, and he has a unique story to tell, which I'm going to ask him through this podcast. Okay. So Navid, first of all, welcome to this podcast. Thank you for taking time out and coming in. I know you are one of the most inspiring entrepreneurs who knows how to go and get business within BNI. But I'd still like you to tell about yourself, your name, chapter, category, and what unique about your firefighting category. What is it that you deliver which is different from others?
Alright. So, hello everyone. This is Naveed Sayed from Firelink Services LLP. I am from BNI Energy chapter. My region is Mumbai Northeast, led by Subbu sir only. And I am into I am a government approved contractor for firefighting system like fire alarm, hydrant, sprinkler, pumping set. I got all licenses in house, located at Vikroli and Taloja. So catering to all locations of India and giving services to MMRDA region. So we are one-stop solution for all your firefighting need. And what difference is between me and my competitors is our mission is to uh, spread knowledge about the firefighting. In earlier time, it was it was a threat like things कि लोग कहते थे कि डरा के धंधा किया जाता था, डरा के कि ये नहीं करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा, वो नहीं करोगे तो वो हो जाएगा। द डिफरेंस इज हम लोगों को कहते हैं कि आपके लिए ये कहना बेहतर होगा, ये करना बेहतर होगा जिससे आप और अपना आपका परिवार, आपका ऑफिस, आपका फैक्ट्री, आपका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट अग्नि सुरक्षित या फायर सेफ रह सकते हैं। My vision is nothing should burn around, and my mission is making India fire safe. That is the only mission I live for. It's my passion and profession. So, by qualification, I have done lot of studies in firefighting, and I'm a proud member of Mumbai Northeast, where the BNI is just like school for me. They had taught me from the scratch to this position, and all thanks goes to my mentor and of course Subbu sir, who is leading the region.
Yeah, thank you, Navid. So Navid, my next question to you is: I heard the stories that you said that even before you joined BNI, you got a 30 lakh business.
Hmm.
And you could get this business from a non-BNI member who had quoted. And that's how I think BNI members bring a lot of credibility and genuinity, right price at the right performance at the right time, right? So, what kind of businesses have you done in BNI from the time in the last 6 years? How much business have you done, and what is your goal for the next 3 years?
Yes, yes. So, sir, I'll definitely tell you, I'll happy to tell you that I have earned 13 crores rupees business from BNI in 6.5 years.
That's the main.
In returns, I have given 25.72 crores ka business to my fellow members. And that's because of mentor and that because of BNI only. BNI has given me 10 times growth from initial stage when I joined BNI on 1st February 2018, sir. And the story was like that ki, I was frequently getting invite images or creatives for attending meeting at BNI Energy. That time it was happening in Satkar Grand, Thane, and I was ignoring it. But once what happened, I was there standing behind hotel and looking at the image, invite image, and told my friend who has invited me कि I am outside the hotel and I will reach of hotel for that meeting within 5 minutes. I'm going inside. Then he said कि please zoom that image and look at carefully and then you go. So I zoomed up and I've seen that ki 7 something. So again I said ki yeah, it's 7. I will go inside. Then he started abusing in my dosti style. Then he told me कि नहीं ये गलत है, पहले एक बार ठीक से देख ले, फिर चला जाना. Then I again zoomed up and I have seen that it was 7 a.m. Because of that curiosity, 7 बजे उठ के कोट वोट पहन के कौन चले जाता है भाई? In that way, I got curious. In next Friday, I reached there on time. And what happened? The I think that was that time visitor host team. काफ़ी लोग आए, सूट वूट वाले लोग मुझे अंदर ले जा रहे, मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा फील हुआ जाते ही. और देन आई एंजॉयड मीटिंग अ लॉट एंड देन आई गॉट द थिंग्स कि ये ऐसा भी कुछ होता है भाई, ये मल्टी लेवल वाला नहीं है, एक को दो, दो को चार, चार. ये लोग एक दूसरे को बिजनेस दे और सिर्फ थैंक यू कह रहे हैं. सो दैट मेड मी अ BNI मेंबर. आफ्टर
We heard a lot of concepts of BNI, you know. So he said he gave more business than what he got. That's a giver's gain philosophy of BNI, right? Also, he mentioned that everybody works in the morning time. So BNI believes that when everyone is sleeping, you do your business and you're back to your normal work. So we meet every day, every working day from 7 o'clock to 10:30, and we are back to our work by 11:30. So we beat the traffic, we beat the crowd. So that's, I think, Naved, a very smart way to do it. And I'm excited with the way you entered. So that's an opportunity for you now to ask the members, what kind of connects are you looking at?
I'm looking for generally ABCD. That means A for architect, B for builder, C for contractors, and D for developers. These are categories who I'm looking for in architect, consulting architect, and licensing architect will be great connect for you, which who can give me a lots of business, and the ticket size will be more than a general business.
Wonderful. And my last question to you, what is that core value of BNI which is close to you?
The core value, lifelong learning is a core value for of BNI, which is very close to my heart because uh, in every meeting I learn one new thing at least. In every conclave, in every training, in every event I attended because of BNI or which is for me as a BNI member, I learned lots of things. Okay, and that things I implemented in my real business. So what happened? There is a progress in my business also, and my personality is getting developed because of that policies. So learning is more than earning. So that's
Super,
the policy.
super, super. So, guys, you just saw someone who grew 10x from the time he came in to the time now, and that was just in 5 years. Not many entrepreneurs who are not part of this network, which is called BNI, can really proudly say this. Okay, so start thinking about it. Are you networking? Are you building your net worth? Thank you so much.